Hi everybody, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install and use your Dodge and Burn action. So once you've downloaded the action, you're going to have a folder probably in your downloads, and you're going to open it, and there goes your action. And what you're going to do is super simple. You're just going to drag it onto the Photoshop icon. And then over here in actions, you're going to see a folder named exactly that. And so now let's quickly take a look at how you can use it. So you just click, not the folder, but the action itself. So you can just open the folder right here, click on the action, and then click on play. And then you select your brush over here. And then I typically use the black and white colors with an opacity and flow of 30. And the hardness here should be 0. And then you're just going to zoom into the photo. And everything that you want to brighten up, let's say like this patch right here, you're going to paint over it with the white. And everything that you want to darken, like let's say the eyebrows, you're going to paint over it with the black. And that's all there is to it. It's super simple. I'm going to show you a quick before and after of this, and then a few like full before and after, so you can actually see what this does. But that's all you need to do. Just drag it into Photoshop, open it in the actions here, and then press play, and then you can start dodge and burning your images.